Introducing the Rentajet Group, leading the way in high-pressure water jetting contract services. We have the latest robotic systems for concrete hydrodemolition, a clean, vibration-free solution for concrete cutting. Benefits of water jetting include no micro-cracking in the remaining concrete, and reinforcing steel is left undamaged. Our unique Limpet blast technology can prepare all types of concrete and steel surfaces, while vacuum recovering water and debris, leaving everything clean, dust-free and dry. And for cutting steel and concrete, our Jet Knife Abrasive Jet cold cutting system cuts through any material without heat or sparks, ideal where there's a likelihood of volatile gas or liquid and a risk of explosion. Block pipes and ducts. Our Rotoream automated blockage removal system can operate in pipelines up to 600 meters in length and copes with multiple bends. Problem blockages in virtually any diameter pipe are removed quickly and safely. The Rentajet Group. Whatever the task, let us handle the pressure for you.